Hello viewers, I'm Yusuf from 5 Minutes Information Channel and this is episode number 60. In this episode, I will talk about the Boolean operators. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture available on the link of this video description. In this video, I will talk about the 4 main points about the Boolean operators. Number 1, what is Boolean operator? Number 2, what are the 3 types of Boolean operator? Number 3, what are the function of Boolean operator? And number 4, what are the advantages of Boolean operator? Point number 1, what is Boolean operator? Boolean operator is a search-based algebraic logic formulated by the George Ball in 19th century, an English mathematician. In a Boolean search, keywords are combined with the operators and we can narrow or broaden the search term as well as refine and filter the search term. Boolean operator is useful for the researcher, scholar, librarian, information professional, and faculty member to search their relevant term or literature. Point number 2, what are the 3 main types of Boolean operator? There are 3 main types of Boolean operator. Number 1, AND. Number 2, OR. Number 3, NOT. A Boolean operator is always type or donate with the capital letter. The function of Boolean operator. Number 1, AND operator. AND operator narrow the search result. AND operator narrow the search result. It tells us the databases that all search terms must be present in a resulting record. See the example like cloning and human and ethics. The purple triangle in the middle of Venn diagram below represents the result set of this result set for this search. This is a small set using AND and combination of all 3 search words. Number 2, OR operator. OR operator is connect 2 or more similar concepts or synonyms. OR operator broaden your search result and telling database that any of your search term can be represented in the resulting record. Example, cloning or genetics or reproduction. OR operator broad and expand the search term, locate and retrieve if found in a single result. Connect 2 or more similar concept synonyms. Purple circle shows that cloning or genetics or reproduction. All 3 circles represents the result set of this search. NOT operator refine the terms. Not exclude from your search. Narrow, refine or filter your search, telling the database ignore the concept that may be implied by your search term. Example, football. NOT operator refine or filter the search term using NOT operator to exclude the word from your search. Narrow your search, telling the database to ignore concept that may be implied by your search terms. For example, football, not soccer. Point number 4, what are the advantages of the Boolean operator? Number 1, it helps in literature search. Number 2, it supports to build the search strategy in different search engine or database like Google Scholar, PubMed and Sinahil and etc. Number 3, it saves the time of the researcher and user. Number 4, it find out the adequate number of the literature. Number 5, Boolean operator refine, filter, narrow, broader or expand the any search term or the literature quantity. That's end from the episode number 60. I hope you learned about the basic definition of the Boolean operator, their functions and advantages. I will back soon with another informative source or topic. So stay tuned with the 5 Minutes Information Channel. And don't forget, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching till the end and stay tuned with the 5 Minutes Information.